In this video, we are going to see the problem under for the model 1, which is complex variable. So we have seen some videos which is for the related with the definition and the different differentiability, analytical function, and also we have proved it for the CR equations, and we have seen the property of CR equation, which is two property, harmonic and orthogonal property. So in this, as per the syllabus, you have under the complex variable there will be four type of problem is there. So now we are going to see the first type of problem. So what is that first type? One is nothing but finding derivative of an analytic function. So finding a derivative of analytical function is nothing but we have to find your f dash. So first I'll explain the working rule of how to solve your problem to get your f dash. Okay. The first step, given w is equal to f of z. Replace z is equal to x plus iy, or z is equal to r into e power I theta. It is nothing but either you have to replace by Cartesian form or in the polar form to find real and imaginary part. Okay. From the f of z, first we can able to substitute in any one of the format, then make it u plus iv format, then you get your u term and v term. Okay. The second step, find the partial derivatives in Cartesian or polar form. So we are going to, suppose you are substituting in Cartesian form, get it in terms of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y. If it is in terms of polar form, find out r and theta with respect to, what is that? Like u and v with respect to r and theta. Dou u by dou r, dou u by dou theta, and similar dou v by dou r, dou v by dou theta you have to find out. Third step, verify CR equation in Cartesian or polar form. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to verify with the CR equations whether it is getting satisfied or not. Okay, then only the f of z is analytic and we can find your f dash. Okay, so once you are getting satisfied either in Cartesian or polar form, CR equation is getting satisfied, you can tell f of z is analytic. And then step 4, to find your f dash or dw by dz, again you can use in, if it is in Cartesian form, as per the proof we have learned in Cartesian form, your f dash is ux plus ivx. This step we have proved in the any one of the case. The first case you can get it, this f dash. Okay, it is in Cartesian form. And similar, f dash of z will be e power of minus I theta of ur plus ivr in the polar form. Okay, so this is the step. And after replacing this ux and vx, then we can able to easily find out your f dash. Okay, so we'll go with the example problem. Show that w is equal to z plus e power z is analytic, and hence find dw by dz. Okay, so what was the question is asked it? We are going to show that the function is analytic and also we have to find a differentiable. Okay, differentiation, that is dw by dz we need to find out. The first step, what is that? Either to be replaced by Cartesian or polar form. So you can see that w is equal to z plus e power of z. Okay, so you can see that which is easy to substitute. If you substitute in Cartesian form, whether you can able to make it easily with real and imaginary part. According to that, we are going to choose in your z function. Okay, here we can make it easily for real and imaginary part by choosing your Cartesian form, because I have an e power z term which you can write it x plus iy means easily we can write it in the format of a power m into a power n. For that reason, I'm going to choose in Cartesian form. Okay, so what is that? W is nothing but u plus iv, which is equal to x plus iy plus e power of x plus iy. What is that? X plus iy plus e power x into e power iy. I can write it since a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. Okay, so which is equal to, here again e power iy, I can write it cos y plus I sin y. Then you can see that x plus e power x into cos y. I am writing only real part and I is a common for second term and fourth term. It will get your imaginary part. So u is nothing but x plus e power x cos y, and v is nothing but y plus e power x sin y. Then dou u by dou x is equal to differentiate. Now it's going to the next step. What is that? Immediately we should verify whether it is getting satisfied here CR equation. For that, first you can find the partial differentiation with respect to x and y for your u and v function. So with respect to x for u, I'll get 1 plus e power x into cos y. With respect to y, I'll get minus e power x into sin y. And for v function with respect to x, I'll get e power x into sin y. E power dou v by dou y will be 1 plus e power x into cos y. So you can see that I am getting the term which is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and then dou v by dou x is equal to minus of dou u by dou y. So CR equations are satisfied. So you can tell the given function is analytic. Now go for your differentiability. That means dw by dz, which is equal to ux plus ivx, which is equal to ux we have found it, replace it 1 plus e power x into cos y plus I into e power x into sin y. So again I can write it cos y plus I sin y. It is nothing but e power iy. So I will get 1 plus e power of x plus iy. X plus iy is nothing but is in z. Alright. So dw by dz is nothing but 1 plus e power z. Okay. So one more question. Show that f of z is cos hz is analytic and hence find your f dash. So what is that? F of z is given in terms of hyperbolic function. Then I can, as per the definition or introduction video we have posted, cos hz is nothing but can be written as cos iz, right? So cos I of z can be replaced by in the Cartesian form x plus iy, because if you replace in terms of polar form, what will happen? We could not able to make a segregation in terms of cos inside it is there. Okay, for that reason we have chosen here Cartesian form. So cos of I you can take inside, it will become ix minus I into I will be a minus 1 into y. So it will become cos of a minus b. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b formula. Again ix to be replaced by cos hx and sin ix to be replaced by I sin hx. Okay. Now you can find your u and v term, and immediately what you have to do? Verify your CR equation. So I found my ux is sin hx into cos y, uy is minus cos hx into sin y, vx is cos hx into sin y, vy is sin hx into cos y. So what is my ux is equal to vy, vx is equal to minus uy. My CR equations are satisfied. So you can tell f of z is analytic. So what is your f dash here? We need to find your f dash, isn't it? So as per the differentiability, your f dash is ux plus ivx. So replace your ux and vx also. So what is that? Sin hx I can write it sin ix by I then into cos y plus I into cos ix into sin y. So again what is that? I am going to take it here. It will become minus I, isn't it? Because 1 by I to be replaced by minus I. Minus I sin ix into cos y plus I into cos iy into sin y. So what is that? Which is equal to minus I into, again this term I can able to make it, what is that? It will become a minus 1, right? So minus 1 cos ix into sin y, right? So now you can see that minus I of, here it is taken for the I outside and the negative, that's why it has come for minus here. Okay, so minus I of sin of, it will become sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. It is sin of a minus b, right? So now you can substitute, and from this inside I can take out for I sin I of x minus y by I, y by I alone I will get, right? So which is equal to sin I of, so again I can write it 1 by I will be minus I. So x plus iy it will come, and sin of iz, this is nothing but is an z, right? So sin of iz can be written I sin hz. So I into I will be minus 1, minus into minus will go plus. So I will get f dash is sin hz. Okay. So we'll go with one more example which is show that w is equal to log z. Z is not equal to 0 is analytic and hence find dw by dz. So what is given? W is equal to log z, and as usual how we can able to do here. I have chosen in terms of polar form. Why? Because if you replace in terms of x plus iy, we can't able to make it real and imaginary part. For that reason I should choose only here polar form. So we are go ahead with the polar form here. So log of r into e power I theta, it will become log a into b, log a plus log b format. Again log a power m, so m log a, right? So I theta into log e to the base e will be 1. I'll get only log r plus I theta. So u is log r, v is theta. So find here u r u theta, v r v r v theta. So v r will be 0 and v theta will get 1. So now you can see that CR equation is getting satisfied. So I can tell W is analytic. Go with your f dash as per the polar form. What is your f dash? It is e power minus I theta of u r plus I v r. So which is e power minus I theta of u r is 1 by r plus I theta. So which I'll get it, which is equal to, this will be a 0. I'll get only 1 by r into e power of plus I theta, which is equal to 1 by z. Okay. So one more example we'll see under for the polar form. So show that f of z is z power n, where n is a positive integer in analytic, and hence find f dash of z. So given f of z, it is equal to z power n. And what is your f of z? It is u plus iv, which is equal to r into e power I theta the whole power n. So I can write it. Here also you can't choose in Cartesian form because it's very difficult to make it real and imaginary part. Okay. So r power n into e power I n theta, which is equal to r power n of e power I n theta. We can write it cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So again real and imaginary part we can found here u and v term. So what is that? Find here u r, v r, u theta, v theta. So what is it with respect to r? R power n is that. So n into r power n minus 1 should come. Okay. And similar, you can verify the CR equation. So it has verified for your CR equation. Then you can tell your f of z is analytic function. Okay. So you see ur will be n into r power n minus 1 cos theta. Vr will be n into r power n minus 1 into sin theta. And it's coming for your what is that with respect to make it a CR equation. For that reason it is written here r to be taken here and r to be multiple here. R into ur is equal to n into r power n cos theta. Okay. And similar for here also r to be r power n minus 1 minus r to be taken separately, and it is written in denominator r into vr, because to compare with the CR equations we have done it. Okay. Now f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta of ur plus I vr. So what is that? ur and vr to be replaced it, and I have taken out for the common term. What is it? Common term n r power n minus 1 e power minus I theta. So what will be left over? It is a cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is that? This is nothing but e power I n theta. So again these two term I can write it I as a common I n theta. I'll get n minus 1. So n into r power n minus 1 into e power I theta the whole power n minus 1. So again r power and e power I theta power is same. I can write r into e power I theta the whole power n minus 1, which is nothing but z term, isn't it? So n into z power n minus 1 for your f dash for the given function. Okay. That's all. Thank you.